In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Typeform support. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Whether you're having trouble with your Typeform account, you have some questions about using their platform, or perhaps you're looking for some technical support, getting in touch with their support team is a pretty straightforward process. So let's walk through it together step by step to ensure you can get the help you need efficiently. To kick things off, let's first head over to your web browser. Just go ahead and open it up, and then type in the URL, which is typeform.com. This is the official Typeform website, and from here you will have access to all their services, including customer support. Now take a quick pause to make sure you've arrived at the correct page by checking the URL in your address bar. You want to make sure it's the right site before we move on. Once you're on the Typeform homepage, your next step is to look at the top right corner of the page. There, you will see a navigation menu. You're looking for the option that says Support. Go ahead and click on that. This click will redirect you to the support section of the Typeform website, where you'll find various resources as well as contact options. Now, on the support page, you'll notice several choices designed to assist you with frequently asked questions and common issues. But if your query isn't answered there and you really need to speak to someone directly, look for the support option again. Click on it to take you to the contact form. At this point, you'll be presented with a field where you can type out your message. This is your opportunity to explain, in detail, the issue or question you have. The more specific you can be in your message, the better. Think about it. Providing precise information can help the support team understand your situation and assist you more effectively. So, go ahead and take your time to compose a clear and concise message. Make sure you include all the necessary details. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, double-check it promptly to ensure everything is in order. It's always good to do that little final review. When you feel confident in your message, it's time to take action. Click that Send button. This will submit your inquiry to the Typeform support team. Now, after you've sent your message, you'll want to keep an eye on your inbox because you can expect a response from Typeform. Typically, they'll get back to you via the email associated with your account. Depending on the complexity of your issue, they may have follow-up questions, or they might provide solutions directly in their response. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully contacted Typeform. I want to emphasize that being clear and straight to the point in your communications can really help speed up the resolution process. So remember that as you reach out. If you have any further questions, or find that you need additional assistance after your inquiry, don't hesitate to get in touch with them again. Thank you for watching today's video, and I wish you all the best with your Typeform interactions. Whether you're creating surveys, quizzes, or forms, having the right support can make all the difference. So don't shy away from reaching out if you need it. Good luck!